Who's fucking... I don't have a cat. Come here, kitty, kitty. Oh my god, I thought that was a motherfucking cat. That's my shoes.
Yo, I'm over here like, man, that poor pigeon got hit by a bus. It's fucking gloves. That's crazy.
Oh my god, guys, look at this cute bunny. Aww. He's so cute.
I need my fucking glasses on. I said, no goddamn well, this ain't no fucking tiger.
Here, baby! Here, baby! Oh my god, hi! Meow! 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 My son just said, Mum, there's an owl in the house. And I turned around and I said, oh my god, where'd that come from?
Gente, é cachorro isso? O cachorro botou um pescoço aqui no telhado. Ih, gente, é um gato!